Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Beaver token. Name of the token is Beaver, B-E-A-V-E-R, ticker symbol BVR. And it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 24th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token. We're also going to talk about a couple different ways that you can get the token, and we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is, their webpage is beavercoin.club. So this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. And there's a couple different ways that you can get this token. First of all, if you just go right to their webpage, beavercoin.club, there's a buy now button that will take you over to Pancakeswap. So I just clicked on it and I'm just seeing if this token is available yet. It looks like they probably won't even be on Pancakeswap until tomorrow, April 24th. Now, there might be an announcement on their socials here, but I just clicked on that. Nothing popped up yet. It was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, April 24th, 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Bitmart. It says primary listing, so I assume that the Pancakeswap pool will be open around the same time. So basically, two different ways to get this token. First of all, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get Bitmart on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BVR when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Now around the same time, say maybe Bitmart's not available in your country, or you just don't want to use a central exchange, you'll be able to get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the BVR token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, beavercoin.club. Now, there's a couple different places you'll be able to find the contract address. First of all, they're right at the top of their webpage, there's a big flashing buy now button. You can click on that. And then they also have links here. It says Pancakeswap, Dex Screener, and Dex Tools. So on Dex Screener and Dex Tools, you're going to be able to see the charts. You're going to find the contract address, the price of the token, and all sorts of other information. When it pops up too, I would recommend that you go over to Dex Tools and look at the quick audits that Dex Tools has, and you'll be able to see, if there's any warnings. Right now I can't check because it's not even live on Dex Tools yet. I just clicked on it to see, and there's nothing there yet. And it says more exchange listings are also on the way. So there's going to be maybe CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and then maybe central exchanges as well. Now there is a how to buy section also on their webpage for Pancakeswap. If you didn't understand how I explained it, they talk about step one by one, Pancakeswap, create a wallet, get some USDT, trade for, BVR, etc. It says no taxes, so you will not have to set slippage. You could also scroll down. You can find the tokenomics, aka the Bevonomics, on their webpage. Has the contract address there. So no slippage. You don't have to worry about that. It says LP tokens burned, ownership renounced. Total supply 420.69 quintillion billion tokens. That's a lot of tokens. It's almost too many. So yeah, it says BVR is a meme coin inspired by the motivational spirit of the beaver. It's your motivation for a better tomorrow. And besides that, they have a roadmap on their webpage. It says Beaver Takeover. Phase 1 is going to be the meme. Then decentralized exchange launch, so Pancakeswap. 1,000 plus holders, $1 million market cap. Phase 2 is going to be KOL marketing. Then central exchange listings like Bitmart. 10,000 plus holders, $3 million market cap. Vibe and HODL. Phase 3 is going to be multiple central exchange listings, $10 million market cap, meme takeover. And at the bottom of their page, they have links to their Telegram, their Twitter, a TikTok channel, and an Instagram. And it says join the Beaver community. And, it's got lots of Beaver memes all over the place if you like memes. So yeah, deposits opened up actually today on Bitmart, starting 10 a.m. And it says trading is enabled April 24th, 10 a.m. UTC time, of course. And it says this is their primary listing. Their Telegram is at Beaver_coin, and they have 10,361 Telegram members. So they're doing pretty well on their socials here. 49 of them are online, so that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more from other community members. And they also have here a Twitter, which I'm going to put right on the screen right here, at Beavercoin_BVR. Only 10 tweets so far. They just joined in April 2024, so this is barely a month old here. Their Twitter, they already have 13,600 Twitter followers. And on this Twitter here, you can see that they have a link to their Telegram and their webpage. So basically, this Twitter is going to have all the links that you need. It says the most powerful and emotional Beaver glow up of all time. Beaver never give up. Hashtag Memecoin, hashtag motivation, hashtag never give up. So, their Twitter is where you're going to see lots of memes, but you're also going to find lots of updates, about new listings and partnerships and all sorts of things like that. So check out the socials, check out the webpage, check out Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange. You'll see this brand new listing. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the BVR token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. There's a couple other Bitmart tokens being listed that are, very popular meme coins, so check that out. I'm going to upload a couple of those today on my channel. If you want to help support the channel, hit that join button and check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.